The Dash Cam N5 is a high-performance vehicle recorder designed to deliver crystal-clear footage and reliable safety features. Equipped with dual cameras, it captures both front and cabin views in full HD resolution, ensuring comprehensive coverage for driving and passenger monitoring. Its wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, while advanced night vision technology provides sharp, detailed recordings even in low light conditions. The N5 supports loop recording and GU sensor collision detection, automatically saving crucial clips during sudden impacts or accidents. With parking mode monitoring, it continues to protect your vehicle even when unattended. A large, user-friendly display allows instant playback and easy navigation through settings. Many models also include Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling quick file transfers to smartphones for sharing or backup. The Joyroom tablet stand is a sleek, multifunctional accessory designed to provide stable support for tablets, smartphones, and e-readers. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and reinforced joints, it ensures long-lasting strength while maintaining a lightweight, portable design. Its adjustable angles and height settings allow users to position devices comfortably for reading, video calls, streaming, or presentations, reducing neck and wrist strain. Equipped with anti-slip silicone pads, the stand keeps devices secure without scratching surfaces. The foldable structure makes it easy to carry in bags or store when not in use, ideal for home, office, or travel. Compatible with a wide range of devices, from iPads to Android tablets, it supports both vertical and horizontal orientations. The ESR Magnetic Charger is a sleek and efficient charging solution designed for modern smartphones and accessories. Built with strong magnetic alignment, it securely attaches to compatible devices, ensuring a stable connection without slipping or misalignment. Its fast charging capability delivers reliable power output, reducing downtime and keeping devices ready for use throughout the day. Crafted with durable materials and a compact design, the ESR Magnetic Charger is ideal for both home and travel. The slim profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry, while the detachable cable system adds flexibility for different charging setups. Many models feature overheat protection, short-circuit safeguards, and intelligent power management, ensuring safe and efficient charging. The Joyroom Transmitter is a multifunctional in-car accessory designed to enhance connectivity, entertainment, and convenience while driving. Plugging into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, it uses Bluetooth technology to pair with smartphones, enabling wireless music streaming, hands-free calling, and audio playback through the car's FM radio system. Its stable signal transmission ensures clear sound quality with minimal interference. Equipped with dual USB ports and fast charging capability, the transmitter allows drivers to power multiple devices simultaneously. Many models feature an LED display that shows FM frequency, battery voltage, or track information, making operations simple and intuitive. Built-in noise cancellation technology improves call clarity, while EZ2 buttons provide quick control over volume, tracks, and calls. The AZDOME Dash Cam is a feature-rich car recorder designed to provide drivers with clear, reliable footage for safety and peace of mind. Equipped with dual or triple camera options, it captures wide-angle views of the road, cabin, and even rear traffic, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Its high-resolution recording delivers sharp details, while advanced night vision technology ensures visibility in low light conditions. The dash cam supports loop recording and GE sensor collision detection, automatically locking important clips during sudden impact. With parking monitoring mode, it continues to safeguard your vehicle even when unattended. Many AZDOME models include Wi-Fi and GPS functionality, allowing easy file transfers to smartphones and accurate route tracking. A large touchscreen interface makes navigation and playback simple, while durable construction ensures long-term reliability. The Joyroom Charger adapter is a compact and efficient charging solution designed to keep multiple devices powered on the go. Built with multi-port functionality, it supports simultaneous charging for smartphones, tablets, and other electronics, making it ideal for busy drivers and travelers. Its fast charging technology ensures quick and stable power delivery, reducing downtime while protecting devices from overheating or overcharging. Crafted with a durable, heat-resistant shell, The adapter is built for long-lasting performance and safety. The universal compatibility allows it to work with a wide range of devices, including iOS and Android, while the smart chip integration automatically adjusts output to match each device's requirements. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into car sockets or travel bags, offering convenience wherever it's needed. The Pionray Universal Radio is a versatile in-a-car entertainment system designed to deliver clear audio and seamless connectivity for modern drivers. Built with universal compatibility, it fits a wide range of vehicles and supports multiple input options, including Bluetooth, USB, aux, and SD card slots, ensuring easy access to music, podcasts, and calls. Its FM/AM tuner provides strong signal reception, keeping drivers connected to local stations wherever they travel. Equipped with high-fidelity sound output and customizable equalizer settings, the Pionray Universal Radio enhances listening experiences with crisp audio and deep bass. The intuitive interface, often featuring backlit buttons or a digital display, makes operation simple even in low Y-light conditions. Compact and stylish, it integrates smoothly into dashboards while offering straightforward installation. The steering wheel lock is a robust security device designed to deter theft and provide peace of mind for vehicle owners. Constructed from hardened steel and durable alloys, it resists cutting, prying, and tampering attempts. The lock clamps securely onto the steering wheel, preventing it from turning and making the car nearly impossible to drive without removal. Many models feature adjustable arms to fit a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs. Bright, visible finishes act as a strong visual deterrent, signaling to potential thieves that the vehicle is protected. Some designs include dual locking mechanisms or keyless options, enhancing convenience while maintaining security. Lightweight yet sturdy, the lock is easy to install and remove, making it practical for everyday use. The Baseus Mini Hammer is a compact, multi-purpose emergency tool designed to enhance safety and convenience for drivers. Crafted from durable, high-strength alloy, it delivers reliable performance while remaining lightweight and easy to store in a glove box or door pocket. Its primary function is as a window breaker, capable of shattering tempered glass quickly in case of emergencies, such as accidents or vehicle submersion. Many models also integrate a seatbelt cutter, providing a fast way to escape when traditional release mechanisms fail. The ergonomic grip ensures secure handling, while the small size makes it practical for everyday carry without adding bulk. Built with attention to durability and efficiency, the Baseus Mini Hammer is engineered to withstand repeated use while maintaining sharpness and strength. The BATOCA S5 Mini Polisher is a compact, high-performance detailing tool designed for precision and convenience in automotive care. Powered by a cordless rechargeable battery, it offers freedom of movement without the hassle of cords, making it ideal for polishing tight areas and intricate surfaces. Its dual-action design ensures smooth operation, reducing the risk of paint damage while effectively removing scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Lightweight yet durable, the S5 minimizes fatigue during extended use, while its ergonomic grip provides comfort and control. The kit typically includes multiple foam and wool pads, allowing users to switch between waxing, polishing, and finishing tasks with ease. Variable speed settings give flexibility for delicate finishes or more aggressive correction. Compact in size, it's perfect for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even household applications. The ROCKBROS Suction Cup Bike Rack is a lightweight yet durable solution for transporting bicycles without the need for bulky traditional racks. Designed with industrial-grade suction cups, it attaches securely to car rooftops or rear glass, providing a stable platform that holds bikes firmly in place during travel. Its compact and portable design makes it easy to install, remove, and store, ideal for drivers who want flexibility without permanent fixtures. Crafted from highest-strength aluminum alloy and reinforced components, the rack ensures long-lasting performance while resisting wear and tear. The suction cups feature strong vacuum seals that maintain grip even at high speeds, while protective rubber bases prevent scratches on vehicle surfaces. Compatible with a wide range of bicycles, including road bikes and mountain bikes, It offers versatility for different riders. The OBD2 HUD Speedometer is a modern driving accessory designed to project real-time vehicle data directly onto the windshield, helping drivers stay informed without taking their eyes off the road. Connected through the OBD2 port or GPS system, it displays critical information such as speed, RPM, fuel consumption, water temperature, and fault codes with high accuracy. Its head-up display technology ensures clear visibility in both daylight and nighttime conditions, supported by adjustable brightness and anti-eye glare features. Many models include speed warnings, fatigue alerts, and fault detection, enhancing safety and awareness during long journeys. The compact design allows for easy installation with plug-and-play functionality, making it suitable for most vehicles.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.